Hey there, I'm very excited to showcase this entry-level home. This is a home that's under $320,000. You know, the median price for Cape Coral right now is about $350,000. So we're well under that, and this is a beautiful, really open, large home, over 2,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus a den, plus a formal dining room right here that could easily be kind of enclosed to be another office or maybe even a 4th or 5th bedroom. So this is a beautiful home. It's ready to go. It qualifies for FHA and VA financing. It's perfect for a first-time home buyer. It's in a great location up here in the Northeast, and I can't wait to show this property to you, so let's get right into it.
Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to this channel for weekly videos on Cape Coral. Sometimes we're looking at great properties like today, but other times we're just covering a lot of great news and great information concerning Cape Coral and the real estate market here. So hit that subscribe button if you already haven't done so. Okay, this is a great house for this price. We're at 2531 Northeast 6th Avenue. This is a 2006 built concrete block home. It features 2,106 square feet of living area inside, plus a 2-car attached garage and a huge screen lanai out back. Plus there's a ton of savings on insurance because it has hurricane protection for all the windows and doors, a roof that's only 2 years old, and best of all, it's not in that AE flood zone, so no flood insurance will be required here. Stepping into the house, just look at how open it is in here. I love this floor plan. This is a formal dining room here on the right, but this could easily be a bonus room or an office, or you can even wall this in and make it an additional bedroom or an enclosed space right here. There's lots of options. Beyond the dining room is the living room, which is also wide open to the kitchen, and you can see the ceilings throughout this house are all nice and tall, and there's just a ton of natural light flowing into these main spaces from what's really just a wall of windows and multiple sliding glass doors that go all the way across the entire back of the house. The kitchen's a really good size, and it features a bi-level island that looks out over the living room. Granite countertops everywhere that go really well with these newer stainless steel appliances and the wood cabinets in here. Plenty of light. There's also this little breakfast nook right here, which also looks back across the rear of the house, and that's actually connected to the laundry room. The laundry room's in this house, and it's off the kitchen right here. On the other side of the house is the primary suite. This is a split bedroom floor plan, so the primary suite is on one side of the house and the guest bedrooms and bonus room are on the other side of the house, which we'll look at here in just a second. But this is a really large primary bedroom, again, with really tall ceilings in here. And then here's the privacy door into the primary bathroom. This bathroom has a nice double vanity, again, with granite countertops. And it's got a good walk-in closet, a good-sized walk-in closet right here. Finally, there is a walk-in shower in this primary bathroom and a separate little area here for the commode. So again, the guest wing of the house is up front, and on the other side of the home, there's a little hallway back into the guest rooms here. And these guest rooms are a pretty good size. They both have decent closet spaces in here. You're also probably noticing that this diagonal pattern tile flooring is throughout the whole house, so there's no mismatched flooring anywhere, which I can't stand, or for that matter, there's no carpet anywhere in this home. Of course, the guest bathroom is right here, which would also service the main areas of the home. And then there's this really big den or bonus room here at the end of the guest hallway. This works great as an office or an exercise or kids' playroom or something. And you could even turn this into a 4th bedroom. So there's just a ton of options for this bonus room back here. Okay, let's take a look at the outdoor spaces in the back. First of all, you've got this huge wall of sliders, and they go out to a huge shaded and screened under truss lanai that overlooks the backyard right now. And this is really designed well to put a pool out here. There's plenty of room for it. I see houses all the time with no under truss lanais like this, and when you put a pool on those houses, there's no shaded spaces. But here you've got a really large lanai to build that pool off of, so I could see how adding a pool out here would just turn this backyard into an amazing outdoor living space with plenty of shade and sunshine. The builder just did a really great job of planning for a potential future pool here at this house.
So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour. I just really feel like this is a dynamite home for under $320,000 for as large as it is and for how open and expansive this floor plan is and how beautiful that outdoor living space is back there. I just really feel like this place would be awesome with a pool package on the back of this house, and at under $320,000 you can be into a pool home for under $400,000 on this place, and that would just be absolutely fantastic for this location up here. So clean property. I would love to show it to you. If you are interested in this home, give me a call, shoot me a text. Contact information's right there on the screen. The listing information and the link to the listing is down in the description of this video, so click on that. And yeah, I'd just love to show you this place. So give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever it takes. But thank you so much for being here. If you did like this video, do me a favor, hit the like button, and also make sure you're subscribed so you can be around for these videos every single week. Beyond that, I'll see you in the next video here in just a few days.
Like and subscribe. Just kidding.